everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be unboxing the April Whiff Box. I've got this right here in front of me. We are going to unbox this together, but before we get into this, I just wanted to correct something because my video from yesterday, my little April clearance haul, if you will, well, this was not on clearance. I just wanted to address the Dumbo situation. So I had mentioned that this is not available to add to your Scentsy Club. I was mistaken, and you actually can add the Dumbo, I was gonna say scent, but it's not available in the scent pack, I don't believe. It is available in the bar, but only to add to your Scentsy Club. It is available to add to your Scentsy Club through April 17th. I was looking in the wrong areas when I was double checking this information before I did my video, and I was wrong. So I just wanted to kind of clarify that. So if the Dumbo scent sounds like something that you may really enjoy, go ahead and add it to your club, even if you haven't smelled it. If we have similar noses, I can tell you I'm keeping this in my Scentsy Club for sure. In fact, I may actually switch out to get an additional bar as well. I think I did a Disney 3-pack or a Disney 6-pack, and I think I know I only added one of the Dumbo bars. I think I'm actually going to swap it out for at least 2 Dumbo bars. This is really, really good. It's fruity. It's really, really nice, you guys. Like I said, if we have the same sniffer and you tend to have the same taste that I do, you're gonna really enjoy this. It's really, really good for the spring and summertime. It's light, but it's really fruity and fun, and I really enjoy this. So check it out. Like I said, at any time if you want to edit this out of your Scentsy Club, you can, but you do only have until April 17th to add this to your Scentsy Club. Okay. Just wanted to clarify that. So, okay, let's get into the Whiff Box. Now, if you are not familiar with what a Whiff Box is, it is a mystery box that Scentsy provides every month that is available for purchase. You can either subscribe to it and have it come every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, or you can just buy it as a one-time purchase. I absolutely love that because you're not obligated or tied into anything. But it's a fun little mystery box. You don't know what comes in it. Every month it is going to be relatively the same during that month, but it'll change up the following month. So most of the April boxes should be pretty close to the same as what I'm going to show you here. So this is available for $30. And it tends to be a really good value. This particular box is pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what's in it. So inside here, you will see on the inside of the box, it says "Scent with Love," #happy whiffing. And then inside, they always put this little piece of paper on top here. What does this say here? So this will generally give you an idea of what's inside. So inside, it has spring cleaning checklist. So I have a feeling there's going to be some cleaning products in here. For your house and your head, spring cleaning can be more manageable with this nifty checklist and a couple of well-earned springtime breaks. Tailor the list to your home, create a realistic schedule, and enjoy the brighter days to come. And then it's got it in a few different languages. But you've got this little checklist here, which is kind of cool. Wipe walls and ceilings, fly a kite, clean all rugs, get outside and garden, dust bookshelves, just that sort of thing. It's totally fun. So that's nice. So you've got that little piece in there. And then inside, it's like you're unwrapping a little gift to yourself. So, and honestly, this is a really great gift to give, especially for someone who isn't familiar with Scentsy and maybe they want to try a few products or they don't know what to try. This is a great gift idea. So you've got the purple wrapping on top, and we've got some bags just to keep everything super secure. So this is what the box looks like inside. So let's see what we've got here. So as expected, some cleaning products, which I'm super pumped about because I love our cleaning line. The bathroom cleaner in Blue Grotto. Yay! I love this stuff. I can't remember if I actually did talk about this. I know I had in my empty bin, I had a counter clean, and I may have talked about the bathroom cleaner. You guys, this stuff is rocking my world like no other. I love the counter clean, and I love the bathroom cleaner. They are definitely separate. The bathroom cleaner, in my bathroom, I've got tiles on in my shower, and it's such a pain in the butt to like scrub the grout and scrub the tile all the time. And I feel like it's never like as clean as it really could be until I used the bathroom cleaner. Oh my gosh, I just sprayed everything, let it sit for a few, and then I was like scrubbing, and my bathroom, my shower has never looked better unless it was, you know, the day we moved in. Seriously, you guys, this is amazing. It fights the soap scum so well. And what I really, really love is that you don't have that nasty chemical smell. Like, that was the one thing that you could always tell when Lisa's cleaning the bathroom, because you walk in and it's smelling like chemicals or bleach, and it's like, You get an amazing cleaner, and it smells amazing too. So I'm pretty pumped about this. As you can see, I love this stuff. It's amazing. And I was one who was not hesitant about trying it, but I just thought the counter clean works so well for absolutely everything. Literally carpets, shoes, counters, obviously, stainless steel appliances, like you name it, and the counter clean is going to do an amazing job cleaning it. So I didn't really feel like an additional cleaner was going to be necessary, but it is. I love this stuff. It's amazing. So the bathroom cleaner comes in Blue Grotto for this particular box. Next is our dish soap in Aloe Water and Cucumber, and I love this stuff as well. It does a really great job. Do I think it's better than leading brands that you're gonna get from Target or Walmart or wherever? I don't know that it's better, but I like that it smells better. So I think it's just as good as, you know, the other dish soaps that are out there, but I just like that you can get it in your favorite Scentsy scent. So that's awesome. And Aloe Water and Cucumber I love. So that's awesome. And then my beloved, and there's like purple. So this comes with purple like grass in here. So there's, if you see like purple floaties hanging around, that's what it is. We get a counter clean in coconut lemongrass, and I love the counter clean. Like I just said, you can literally use it on everything. I've got dogs, and if there's an accident in the house, I've got really light color carpets, and this actually cleans my carpet better than a stain remover, like the pet stain remover. This actually works a lot better. A while back I had actually done a side-by-side on my, I believe it was Instagram, possibly Facebook as well, on what the counter clean, how that took away the stain versus the actual like carpet stain remover. You can't even compare it because it just does such a wonderful job. Stainless steel appliances, obviously your counters, basically everything. This you can put on everything. I love it. And the coconut lemongrass is really great for that scent and the cleaning products. We also get a full-size bar of sugared strawberry, which is the scent of the month for this month. Love this scent. It is so good. Love it. I am really picky when it comes to strawberry scents, and this is done so well. It is a good sweet strawberry scent, but there's a really nice bright lemony finish to it. So it smells kind of like strawberry lemonade, and I love it. And this is actually a pretty good performer. I love it. This is really, really great. This is a good compromise since I am missing my coastal strawberry. This is not the same as coastal strawberry, but it is checking some of those strawberry boxes of mine. So I love it. So that's sugared strawberry, which is the scent of the month, available this month. Now we have a scent circle in Do We or Don't We? So that's fun. So that's the full-size products that are that come in this box. That is such a good value. So like I said, this box is $30. You're getting a full-size bathroom cleaner, a full-size counter clean, a full-size dish soap, a full bar, and you're getting obviously a full, because you can't sample out a scent circle, but for your car, you got the scent circle as well. We're still going. We have some samples to talk about. So this is a really, really great value. We also have some samples of the Lavender Cotton Scent Soft if you guys saw my video from yesterday, I actually just picked up the entire laundry line in lavender cotton. We may get a pop in from the dogs. I just heard him. Doozler. I heard him. He may pop in here. Yeah, so I just picked up the full sizes of this scent in the laundry line, but it's great to have these samples. So a sample of the Scent Soft, which is the softener, and a sample of the laundry liquid in lavender cotton as well. So that's cool. And then we have some wax samples. So we have a sample of prickly pear and agave. This is a really good size sample, you guys. It's a good solid, I would say it's definitely 2 cubes of a regular bar. So it really does give you a legit sample to be able to try out a wax and really see if you like it, see how it performs without having it be a dinky little sample. So this is a healthy sample. So we've got a sample of prickly pear and agave, and here's a little perk to getting the Whiff Box during the month, any month that you get it. You are getting a sample of the next month's scent of the month. So kind of a funny story with this. So the scent of the month is called Saddle Up. And as consultants, we get the advantage to see the scent and warmer of the month for the next month early. So we see it on the first of the month. We see the following month's scent and warmer of the month. So I saw the theme and I was like, well, I don't know. And I posted it in my team page, and the scent, I don't have the description right here. In fact, I should probably go ahead and just look it up. So I saw the scent and I was like, I don't know. I knew I would at least get the scent of the month. I wasn't super in love with the warmer or the scent. That's just my personal preference. I know a few people that are going to go crazy over it, and I think that's going to be great. But for me personally, I was just like, I don't know. Am I going to be able to find this quickly here? But the scent. So I posted it in my team page, and we all kind of started talking about the scent, and we were like, well, the scent seems kind of strange. Now, for those of you who like the scent Weathered Leather, then you're probably gonna look at this scent or hear about it and think, this is totally up my alley. Well, there's not a ton of people, at least in my circle, that love the smell of Weathered Leather. And so it's a very particular scent. It smells like leather. So if you like that, then you love Weathered Leather. So we were thinking it was gonna be along those lines. Now let me read you the description. So it's called Saddle Up. And the description, Scentsy says, capture some on the range Rowberry, I'm probably butchering that, with soft suede, aged leather, sheer musk, and a breath of fresh air. So it sounds like it may be along the leathery side, right? So I went to director boot camp at Scentsy Home Office this last week. It was amazing. And they actually we were in the consultant support call center, and they had the warmer of the month for May going, and they had the scent of the month going, and I'm like, oh yes, I get to smell it. So I'm actually not gonna open this just because well, maybe I will open it. I really like it, you guys. I really like it. In fact, I posted it in my team page. I was like, you guys, it is so good. And I actually had a few people that were like, I don't trust you. I don't think so. I really like it. I really like it. And I'm not one who loves the Weathered Leather scent. I like it. Do I feel like I need to have it in my life? No. I really like this. I like this better than Weathered Leather. This to me, and this is how I described it to my team, is this smells like Weathered Leather meets vanilla suede. So you have that romantic, rich, vanilla, musky kind of a scent meets Weathered Leather. I know that sounds crazy, but this is so good. I really like it. It's so different, but I do really like it. And I'm not saying that just to say it. You guys know I'm honest with you. I'm 100% honest with you. I was actually debating on downgrading definitely just to the scent of the month, because I know that I can do samples, and I have a few friends that do really like, I think that this scent is totally up their alley. But to be perfectly honest, I was just like, I may opt out of the kit completely, just because I just didn't think that the scent was going to be as amazing as it is, and I just didn't think it would do well. It's so good. I really love it. Now, this is not a bakery scent. It's not a bakery vanilla. It is a very different scent. I do really like it though. Like I said, if you're familiar with Weathered Leather, if you're familiar with Vanilla Suede, they had a baby and it's called Saddle Up. So I like it. So there you have it. That is the Whiff Box for April 2019. It is available. It doesn't run out. You can add it to your Scentsy Club if you want to have it auto shipped to you every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. Totally up to you. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you got a Whiff Box and what your thoughts are. If you have tried some of these samples, let me know what your thoughts are. I love hearing from you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.